Hey guys, this is the visible light charge cable. It's a LED USB sync cable. Now let's see. This cable uses low power consumption EL technology. So when you plug this cable into PC and alternating current adapter and connect with the mobile phones or tablets, then the flashing LED light can be visible. Now let's see. Now let's connect the cable with the phone and this MPJ power bank. Now let's see. See, it's charging, and the flashlight let me turn down the light. And the flashing speed depends on the power energy of the charging devices, and it will automatically shut off the EL light when your device is fully charged. So okay, that's all, and thanks for watching this video.